The desert air crackles with tension, a silent prelude to the chaos that is about to unfold. It's the year 2035 and the battlefield is undergoing a radical transformation. The rules of engagement are being rewritten as technology advances at an unprecedented pace. No longer just soldiers and tanks, now robots are on the front lines taking on roles that were once the exclusive domain of human warriors. A small, tracked robot, no bigger than a dog, scouts ahead, its sensors scanning for any signs of danger. These machines are equipped with advanced AI capable of making split-second decisions. Suddenly, an explosion rocks the ground, sending a plume of dust and debris into the air. The robot, undeterred, continues its mission, relaying critical information back to its human operators. This isn't science fiction, this is the future of war, where robots are changing everything. From reconnaissance to direct combat, these machines are becoming indispensable on the battlefield. War robots, once the stuff of Hollywood blockbusters, are now a reality. They come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks, from bomb disposal to heavy artillery support. They're changing how wars are fought and who fights them. The evolution of warfare is being driven by these technological marvels, reducing the risk to human soldiers and increasing operational efficiency. From the air to the ground and even under the sea, robots are becoming essential tools for modern militaries. Drones patrol the skies, underwater robots secure naval routes, and ground robots engage in combat, all working in unison to achieve strategic objectives. War robots, also known as military robots, are machines designed for combat. They can be remotely controlled by humans or operate autonomously using artificial intelligence. These robots come in different shapes and sizes, each with a specific purpose on the battlefield. Some robots are designed for reconnaissance, sneaking behind enemy lines to gather intelligence. Others are built for combat, armed with machine guns and missiles, and some robots play a supporting role, clearing mines or transporting supplies. Unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, are one of the most well-known types of war robots. These flying robots have revolutionized aerial warfare, providing militaries with unprecedented capabilities. Drones like the MQ-9 Reaper can stay airborne for hours, carrying out surveillance and even launching airstrikes. Another example is the RQ-4 Global Hawk, a high-altitude drone that can survey vast areas of land. These drones provide valuable real-time intelligence, allowing commanders to make informed decisions on the battlefield. Drones have become indispensable assets for modern militaries worldwide. While drones rule the skies, ground combat robots are also making their mark on the battlefield. These robots are designed to operate in urban environments and other challenging terrains. The Modular Advanced Armed Robotic System, or MARS, is a prime example. This tracked robot is armed with a machine gun and can be equipped with various sensors and payloads. Another example is the Robotic Combat Vehicle, a larger and more heavily armed robot being developed by the U.S. Army. These ground combat robots are designed to support infantry units, providing firepower and reducing the risk to human soldiers. Section 5. Silent Hunters, Robots in the Depths. The battle isn't just on land and in the air, it's also happening underwater. Beneath the waves, a silent war is being waged by advanced robotic systems designed to operate in the most challenging environments on Earth. Autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs, are robots designed to operate in the depths of the ocean, gathering intelligence and conducting missions without human intervention. These sophisticated machines are equipped with advanced sensors and navigation systems, allowing them to perform a variety of tasks, from mapping the ocean floor to monitoring underwater activity. The Remus is an example of an AUV used for mine countermeasures. Developed to ensure the safety of naval operations, Remus can navigate through treacherous underwater terrains, identifying and neutralizing threats with precision. It uses sonar to detect and identify mines, helping to clear shipping lanes and protect naval vessels. By scanning the seabed with high-frequency sound waves, Remus can locate hidden dangers that would be impossible to detect with the naked eye. Another example is the Seafox, an AUV designed for underwater surveillance and inspection of critical infrastructure. This versatile robot can be deployed to inspect underwater pipelines, oil rigs, and other essential structures, ensuring their integrity and security. These underwater robots are becoming increasingly important for navies around the world. As maritime threats evolve, the role of AUVs in modern naval operations continues to expand, providing critical support in both offensive and defensive missions. From safeguarding shipping routes to conducting covert reconnaissance, these silent hunters are revolutionizing underwater warfare. Section 6. Smarter, Faster, Deadlier, the Future of War Robots. The future of war robots is all about advancement. Imagine robots that can learn and adapt on the battlefield, making decisions without human input. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing how robots operate, making them smarter and more autonomous. We're also seeing the development of robots with increased speed, agility, and firepower. Lightweight materials and powerful actuators allow robots to move faster and navigate challenging terrain. And with advancements in weapons technology, robots are becoming even more lethal. Section 7. Changing the Game. How robots are reshaping warfare. War robots are changing the face of warfare, and those changes are here to stay. One of the most significant impacts is reducing casualties. By deploying robots in dangerous situations, militaries can keep human soldiers out of harm's way. This is a major advantage as it saves lives and reduces the human cost of conflict. Robots also offer logistical advantages. They don't need sleep, food, or rest, and they can operate in harsh environments for extended periods. This makes them ideal for long-duration missions and reduces the logistical burden on military forces. Section 8. The moral machine ethical concerns about killer robots. While war robots offer clear advantages, they also raise, ethical concerns. One of the most pressing issues is the development of autonomous weapon systems, also known as killer robots. These are weapon systems that can select and engage targets without human intervention. Critics argue that giving machines the power to kill is morally wrong and could lead to unintended consequences. There are also concerns about accountability if an autonomous weapon system malfunctions or causes civilian casualties. The international community is grappling with these ethical questions as the technology for autonomous weapons advances. Section 9. A robot in every foxhole? The future of military spending. The development and deployment of war robots require significant investment. This investment is not just in the machines themselves, but also in the infrastructure, training, and maintenance required to support these advanced systems. Governments and militaries worldwide are pouring billions of dollars into robotics research and development. This funding is aimed at gaining a technological edge over potential adversaries and ensuring national security in an increasingly automated world. As technology advances and robots become more sophisticated, their capabilities expand. These machines can perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of human soldiers, such as reconnaissance, bomb disposal, and even direct combat. However, the cost of these systems is likely to increase. The more advanced and capable the robots become, the more expensive they are to produce and maintain. This raises questions about the future of military spending. How will defense budgets be allocated in the future? Will traditional areas of spending, such as personnel and conventional weaponry, be reduced to make way for more investment in robotics? Will robots eventually replace human soldiers, leading to smaller, more technology-driven militaries? This could result in fewer human casualties and a shift in the nature of warfare, leading to smaller, more technology-driven militaries. The implications of such a shift are profound, affecting everything from military strategy to the ethical considerations of using autonomous machines in combat. Or will the cost of robotics technology create a new arms race, with nations competing to develop the most advanced war machines? This could lead to increased global tensions and a new kind of technological Cold War. With nations competing to develop the most advanced war machines, the pace of innovation could accelerate, leading to rapid advancements in military technology. Only time will tell how these trends will play out. The future of military robotics is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the impact on global military strategies and spending will be significant. Section 10. Man versus Machine. The changing face of the battlefield. The rise of war robots is changing the face of the battlefield, blurring the lines between human and machine in combat. As robots become more integrated into military operations, we'll likely see a shift in the roles and responsibilities of human soldiers. Humans will likely focus on strategic decision-making, mission planning, and overseeing robot operations. At the same time, robots handle the dirty, dangerous, and repetitive tasks on the battlefield. This evolving relationship between humans and machines will continue to shape the future of warfare. Section 11, War Without End. War robots are a game changer, no doubt. They can keep our soldiers safer and give them an edge. But there's a bigger question here. Will robots make wars easier to start? If there's no risk to human life, will countries be more likely to use force? These aren't easy questions. But as we build these incredible machines, we've got to ask them. The future of war is changing, and it's up to us to make sure it's one where technology serves humanity, not the other way around.